All right, we'll go ahead and get a check of your forecast. We got Robert Suhr back here. Robert, we're talking about some impact days as well. So do these have to do with heat or something else?
Rain.
Rain.
Lots of rain,
okay.
Unfortunately.
Quick answer.
Yeah, several days of waves of rain, certainly possible over the next couple of days. And yeah, right now we're in a bit of a break from those periods of rain. We had some showers earlier this morning across northwest Arkansas as well as in the River Valley, but most of that has moved off to the east. Notice not a lot of severe weather, just heavy rain, heavy downpours, maybe some dangerous lightning thrown in there as well. As we widen the shot, you'll be able to see here's that front that's really taking its sweet time moving toward our area. And you can see all that convection way out ahead of the front. And then just behind it, all sorts of severe weather across the panhandle of Texas. Lots of cloud cover today. That'll be the theme over the next couple of days, all that stubborn cloud cover. But it is keeping a lid on temperatures. We're basically in the lower 80s with a few upper 70s here across northwest Arkansas. Plenty of clouds in the River Valley high atop Kavanaugh Hill, where temperatures are just a little bit warmer, but not by much. These are still below average temperatures as we're in the mid to upper 80s. Now, as we go through the next 36 to 48 hours, we will see waves of rain coming and going of varying intensity. As we put the model into motion here, the models have really been struggling with all of this activity. So where you see the convection, don't take that as gospel, just that the model is showing that there is the potential for rain out there. Tonight we could see some showers out ahead of the front as it moves through. By tomorrow morning, we could especially see some very heavy rainfall and downpours as well, if it verifies exactly like this one run of the model is saying. But a lot of these thunderstorm complexes, they weaken very, very quickly. By 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, you can see just how much it has weakened between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. Then we could get a break Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, before we kind of do it all over again Friday morning with another thunderstorm complex that rolls through here. And then looking further out, Friday night and into Saturday, there could be another one. Now, yesterday we showed you a large part of our area was under a slight risk for severe weather. Well, the SPC said that is not happening, and they have shifted that well back to the west. Now a very broad area where an isolated severe storm is possible, and that would pose mainly a damaging wind and some small hail. Same thing for tomorrow. The entire area does have the outside chance at a marginally severe thunderstorm. And all of these storms could drop quite a bit of rainfall, maybe up as much as 4 inches of rain in northwest Arkansas over the next 5 days or so. Lesser amounts the further to the south that you go, because the track of these storms is more northwest to southeast. And we're worried about excessive rainfall, especially Friday night. This is rainfall that exceeds flash flood guidance, so keep that in mind. Waking up Saturday morning, it could be a little bit on the bumpy side. 60s and 70s tonight, but that front crosses, and look how temperatures are cooler tomorrow. 80s for the most part, and northwest Arkansas may not get out of the 70s. You can see impact days Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. A lot of this rain is going to be evening and overnight, but by next week, then things start to dry out and warm up. Same thing in the River Valley. It's a very changing and a very fluid forecast. You're going to want to check back with us for updates. Stay with us. We'll have more 4029 News at 5 coming up after the break.